you will be more active if you exercise more, and if you are on a keto diet, you use the term keto. So what is that actually means?
Right.
The
What is
keto.
keto?
Yeah,
Because I
yeah,
never
yeah,
understood it.
sure.
I
Yeah, yeah,
tried
sure.
Yes,
searching, but I never
exactly.
got it.
Right.
No
What's the
issues.
right
I'll
term?
explain it. Okay. So the keto diet, what happens in keto is that you're predominantly in a normal conventional eating Indian habit. Your energy comes from carbohydrates, right?
Hmm.
And the protein does it works. You eat minimal amount of fat. Indian food doesn't contain protein also, so it's mostly carbohydrate dominant. And that's why what happens that carbohydrate gives you a very short burst of energy. So after a certain time you feel hungry again, so you have to keep on munching and keep off eating at a certain interval of times. What happens in keto diet that you derive energy from ketones. So ketone is a byproduct of fat, right? So first of all, let me explain the three macronutrients. First is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate gives 4 kilocalories, right? And the
Okay.
only work of carbohydrate is to give you energy, right? Carbohydrate gets converted into glucose. Glucose gives energy.
Okay.
This is carbohydrate. Okay. Second is protein.
Okay.
Protein gives 4 kilocalories, same as carbohydrate. 1 gram of protein gives
Carbohydrate.
4
Hmm.
kilocalories, same as carbohydrate. Protein is converted into amino acids, right? And amino acids do the work of building cells in your body, and also gives energy whenever required via the process of gluconeogenesis. That's a different topic, but it also gives energy. And it is important for formation of various hormones and building up of cells in the body. The third macronutrient is fat. 1 gram of fat gives 9 kilocalories. That is more than double kilocalories of
Hmm. Right.
carbohydrates. Fat is converted into ketones, fatty acids and ketones.
Okay.
Okay.
And that the function of fats is also to make is to give you energy. And the second function is to it is used for formation of various hormones, and also for the absorption of fat soluble vitamins, right? So I explained you carbohydrate, protein and fat, right? So the energy, the macronutrient that gives energy, right? All the three macronutrients give you energy, right? And the
Hmm.
only function of carbohydrate is to give you energy,
Then
nothing else,
energy. Right.
Hmm.
Right.
right? So if you remove carbohydrate, that 1 gram carbohydrate gives you 4 gram of 4 kilocalories,
4
right?
kilocalories.
Yeah. So instead you replace carbohydrate with fats. 1 gram of
Okay.
fat gives you 9 kilocalories, more than double of
Hmm.
carbohydrate.
Right.
That's why when you go on keto, you don't feel hungry very often. Like you do intermittent fasting and keto. Generally, it is quite paired up. Intermittent fasting and keto diet, because you don't feel hungry because carbohydrate gives 4 kilocalories, fat gives
Hmm.
9 kilocalories. So it is
Hmm.
more dense. It can provide energy to you on longer term, for longer period of time. So
Hmm.
in keto diet, what you do that you completely cut off carb, or try to keep below 30 grams per day. And so
Okay.
after that, what happens after 3 days, the body uses all the glucose that is available in the body, and after that it gets adapted to ketones, and it
Hmm.
arrives and it derives energy from ketones. So that's why the keto diet. And
Okay. They are
so the
replacing fat with
two,
carbohydrates.
yeah, definitely,
Roughly. To get the energy, but
yeah,
not to get the fat.
yeah,
So any
So is
particular
that's
foods
can
that
you
are less in carbohydrates and more in fat?
yeah, like I'll explain it. Like 10 food groups are there majorly, but uh, out of that, eight food groups have mainly carbohydrates, nothing else, like totally
Okay.
carbohydrates. So you try to avoid them. The food which are animal products, which are high in protein and high in fat, you can consume that. It also has carbohydrates, but very minimal level. And
okay.
Hmm.
in fats and oil seeds, like you can consume butter, it's good. Also coconut oil, and MCT oil, that is a different thing. Like also you can consume olive oil. So these are purely fats. If you see that nutrition value, it is totally fat, nothing else. And protein sources and animal products and milk products are good in fat and protein both. So you can consume that. Like if I tell you about my diet is completely animal products and milk products, nothing else. Like no cereal, pulses, dal, legumes, root, tubers, vegetable, fruits, nothing. And I've been doing it for like since last 2 years. So I know how much beneficial it is for me and how much beneficial it is for anyone.
Yeah, right. So I've seen all the sides.
No roti, no dal, nothing.
Nothing. It's been 2 years. I don't even remember the taste of roti and rice.
In fact, in abroad India, everyone follows the same diet roughly.
Yeah.
There is no person not eaten at other countries also. So it's not the astonishing fact actually.